What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, ooh, baby, am I excited. You know me, I'm about to dress up, baby. I'm going vamp status up in here. A couple weeks ago, I did a vampy look, which is just an overall dark makeup look for Halloween or just like a normal October day. But today, I'm going to do full-on vampire, like Halloween costume makeup. So without further ado, let's get this vampire on. Guys, I'm gonna start off by saying something. I went to Walmart the other day and I got like a vampire kit for like $3 or $4. And I mainly got it because it came with like blood capsules, it came with little teeth, fangs. It did come with like the makeup and stuff like that. I'm not gonna be using any of this today. I messed around with it the other day and it looked so bad. It's gotta look smooth, sleek, sexy. It's gotta look legit, and this just made me look literally like a clown, so I'm not gonna be using anything other than just like normal everyday makeup. First things first, I am using my lightest foundation that I have. This is from ELF, and it's the foundation serum, because you're a vampire. You need to look pale, okay? You don't go out in the sun. I'm gonna go overboard with this. I'm putting a lot on here, like a lot. I'm a vampire and I gotta look pale. Definitely getting the eyelids and underneath the eye because you already know we're putting some heavy duty eyeshadow on this baby. Okay guys, I'm pretty pale. Now, before anything, I'm just gonna draw in my eyebrows. This is a dark brown eyebrow pencil, but I'm gonna go super heavy with it, go really dark, like black, and I'm gonna extend the eyebrow out a little bit because I feel like every vampire I've ever seen, they just got these abnormally long, weird eyebrows. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna brush them up as well, just to kind of give it like a For the eyeshadow, guys, I am going to be using my ELF. It's actually from a vampire kit that I got last year. Yeah, ELF makes a vampire kit. I mean, these are perfect for what I'm doing. I'm actually going to contour with this. I don't know if I've ever contoured with eyeshadow, but guess what? You need to go so dark on the cheeks because you need to look like your cheeks are like you're sick, man. And I don't have a contour that dark. So, that being said, let's try this. I'm kind of scared, actually. Kind of go down a little bit. Makes it look just more hollow. Blend it, and then I'm gonna go just a little bit darker towards right here, towards the back here. Oh my God, what the heck? Oh boy, that don't look good. I'm going in for the transition. And this transition, oh, it's gonna be a dark one. I'm gonna do the darkest brown right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And this is gonna be my base. Right here is where I'm gonna go up towards the eyebrow. You wanna make sure your eyes are like sunken in dark. So let me grab that same color with a flat brush and go underneath. Now with a different flat brush, I'm gonna go into the black right here. This I'm actually going to trace out the crease right here. And then from the lash line, bring it outward. Now I'm gonna go over with my transition brush, everything. I'm gonna take this little liner brush and I'm gonna grab the black and I'm gonna wing this out. I'm gonna basically define this wing right now, like that. It's going to literally meet the eyebrow. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Better Skin and it's in the color Light, and basically what I'm gonna do is kind of like a cut crease. Guys, this is my first time doing a cut crease, just so you know. So if I botched it up, well, forgive me, because I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna grab an eyeshadow brush and now I'm dipping into that red. Okay guys, going back in with the flat brush and grabbing the black one more time, making this a little more bold. Now it is time to line the top of these lids, and I'm using my Maybelline Eye Studio. Now I'm going in with my black eyeliner. Okay guys, now I'm gonna top off the eyes with my Ardell Wispies. All right guys, now for my favorite part, the lips. I'm actually going to line my lips with my black eyeliner because I don't have black lip liner. I look like a cat right now. I'm gonna go in with this red color from Wet n Wild, and it's in the color Cherry Frost. And the reason why I went really bright with this lip is because I do have the liner on the outside, which is gonna naturally darken the red, so time to smear it in. All right guys, I almost forgot a really important part that I can't even believe I forgot. The red I forgot to put underneath my eyes. Let's set this face real quick so this makeup don't go nowhere. Just using my ELF Illuminating Mist and Set. We just have a couple more things to do. If you guys thought for a hot second that that's where I'm gonna end the video, you got another thing coming, baby. Time to roll these sleeves back. Yeah. All right guys, I really don't know how these little things work, so just bear with me, God. I hope it doesn't make a mess. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh, this is gonna be messy. Yes, it is. What do? Do you bite it like this? Oh. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna cut it. I can't. Ew. They couldn't like make it taste like cherry or something? It's real nasty. Oh God, it's everywhere. Oh boy. You wanna know something funny? The Walmart kit that I bought came with these like ridiculously long nails. In case you haven't noticed, I don't wear nails because I can't function with them. Look how long these nails are that they gave me. Oops, wrong finger. I don't think I could do anything with this. Like, I will poke myself in the eye and I'll be without an eye. Well, I'm not gonna mess around with that. However, I am gonna mess around with this. Hope this tastes good. I don't even know where this has been. Oh. That's enough of that, for real. All right, guys, if you're gonna do the vampire thing, you just gotta get those fangs that just like clip in, because that whole mouth thing, it's impossible. All right, guys, that was it. That was my vampire makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for joining me and experimenting with me, because overall this was a lot of fun. Comment down below what you think of this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
I will drink your blood.
In case you guys didn't think I was weird enough, well, here I am.